Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here. Today we are going to make an ultra short unboxing for these package 3 cables from Tronsmart. And Tronsmart is a good alternative for Anker, if not almost the same quality as it is. So without any further ado, let's get into it. This is a 1.8 meters or 6 feet, 3 feet, 90 centimeters, and I bought the whole package for this tiny little cable because I got a new power bank and I didn't have a tiny enough cable or short one for my power bank. So the whole price which I paid for the 3 of them was almost efficient enough for me to buy this cable alone, so it feels like as if I got those extra 2 cable free of charge. Let me find the price for you. It is between 10 and 12 US dollars, so it's really very cheap, my friends. Some people do like those cable management solutions, but it's not my thing really. I like to carry the cable all alone like this. It feels very stiff, my friends, and it is very thick cable. It is really thicker than even the thickest Anker cable I have. And it feels so premium and sturdy. And it will do the job very well, since I'm not gonna use this for data transfers. I don't know what would be the speeds, but it is for power delivery and I'm so sure it will do it perfectly fine. Of course, this is the 1 meter, same thickness, same properties, all USB-A to USB Type-C, and the tallest one of them. This one is really tall and I can't show you how tall it is in such a limited area, but it is really a good cable. And trust me, this length of a cable, if I'm buying it from Anker, it would cost me the same $12 at least, I'm so sure. As always, that was it my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Give us thumbs up if you liked the video and the cable package from Tronsmart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help us create more videos like these, and feel free to ask me anything on the comments down below. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.